How to use built-in barcode scanner for barcode decoding in AGen software. AGen mobile software comes with a built-in free barcode reader with an industry-accepted standard performance barcode decoder. The barcode reader can decode common 1D and 2D barcode printed on clear contrast material surface. AGen uses the mobile device built-in camera to do capturing and decoding. This built-in free barcode reader can decode EAN13, code 39 and code 128 symbologist of 1D barcode, and data matrix and QR 2D barcode with certain error checking setting. To use the built-in barcode scanner, make sure your mobile device camera is clear and allowed to be accessed by AGen software for the first time you run the AGen software. Adjust your mobile device volume to at least 50% for clear decoding beep sound. And make sure your focus is on the text box when you try to decode the barcode. Just lightly touch the floating barcode icon on the application screen, then you will activate the camera to do barcode reading. For faster and better performance barcode reading, AGen recommends users to purchase a mobile device with built-in industry barcode decoder.